I'm not here for a live stream today, but I recently went shopping. I love shopping for fall decorations, so I've got some shopping haul to show you. I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you next Friday. Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I just got back from my best friend's house, and she lives in Salt Lake City. That would be Lori Holt, and we had a lot of fun. We went shopping. It's our favorite thing to do together. Now, some of this stuff I bought at like boutiques, and some of this stuff I bought at antique stores. I do get a lot of my decorating in Salt Lake City because they have cute stuff, affordable prices. So I'm just going to kind of run through some stuff that I got, and maybe this will give you inspiration for decorating your home. And you're going to see a lot of this as props in photography for all of our different products. And we get it in Salt Lake City because it's a lot of fun to shop with friends rather than by yourself. When I used to shop, I used to think I have to buy something and I have to know where it's going to go in the house. And Lori was like, no, just buy what you like and you'll find a spot for it. So that is what I do now. I kind of just find a spot for it. And the funny thing is, when I go shopping with Kevin, he always says, now where's this going to go? And I always just say, don't worry about it. Just tell me if you like it or not. My favorite thing that I got was this heart little shape thing. I'm going to hang it off of a book stand maybe, and this will be great for doing props to put fabric in. And I did break it. We're going to glue it, but it did break. But it's basically just these wooden beads that are super popular now. So this is my favorite thing I got, but of course I broke it. The next thing I got was this sign. And I just think it's cute. I have a sign in the entrance of my house that I really don't like, and I've been trying to find something to replace it because I put 2 holes in the wall. So I'm going to try to replace a sign with this because I like this one better. I got this little tray at an antique store. It was like $5. So these are just some cute little hair clips that I share with my daughter, and just a cute little tray. I have no idea if it's really an antique, but I thought it was cute. And in my bedroom, I have some floral arrangements, and it's very out of style what I have. So I was gonna actually bring those to work to use as props and then put these in my house, and then I'll just switch them between seasons so that I can use them both places. And I just bought like a ton of these, and hopefully it matches. I'm not sure it will, but I had been searching for a long time for something. Now my quilts in my bedroom are all fig tree, so I was trying to find a fig tree-ish color. So this kind of fits the bill, kind of not. But we're gonna see if it looks good when I get home, and I can take a picture. And I always collect these jars. This is definitely a vintage jar. And the best thing about getting these is Lori will tell me if it's vintage or if it's not. So this one is a vintage jar, and I will probably fill it with buttons. I might put it in my kitchen. We'll see. I have a lot of these. Let's see. I got this at, this was at like a resale shop, like a thrift shop. And I just thought it was super cute. I thought, you know, my kitchen has yellow and gray, so I can put it somewhere in my kitchen. I'm not sure where. These are so cute. I got these, they were like $10. So, look. So when my hair gets black, like it's getting, my hair is actually normally black, I can wear these and put off for 2 weeks getting my hair colored, because I don't like getting my hair colored because they touch my hair, and I don't like my hair being touched. So, it kind of matches. So, I got these. And then the one thing that I think is super funny is I bought 3 that look like this. One is gonna be in my cross stitch haul video. I didn't know I bought 3, but I got them at different stores. So I got this one because I thought maybe I could put some sewing tools in here. And I think I got this one at the resale shop. It's kind of beat up a little bit, but I can put triangles on a roll in it. But then I bought this big one. And this one for sure, I'm thinking triangles on a roll will fit, like maybe some on one side and some on the other. And some of you guys have asked for a way to label the triangles on a roll, and we have something coming soon. And this one is from the antique store. I do remember that. And I got this shirt. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I got this at Cracker Barrel. So like they have cute clothes at Cracker Barrel. Now in the screen it looks funky, but in real life it's yellow. But I think it'll fit good and look good. So Cracker Barrel always has cute bags and cute clothes and awesome candles. Now this, I think it'll match my house. So Kevin gets really annoyed when I buy pillows, like super annoyed. He's always like, I don't want any more pillows in this house. You're not allowed to buy pillows. So I buy pillows just because I think that's funny. And I'm gonna sneak this in and see how many seconds it takes him to notice, because he will notice and he's very observant. He notices every little thing I do. But I think this is so cute. And we can sing, we are family, all my sisters and me. I don't have any sisters. Anyway, I got these 2 jars at the antique store. I don't think no, I got these at QUILT. And I thought these would be cute for buttons. The only thing about this that I don't like is I wanted a 3rd one, because I'll probably have to put these, like I'll probably leave one here for work to use as props and then use one for buttons. This was my 2nd favorite purchase, and I got this at the QUILT. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put in it, but I like it because I like the color, and I like that whatever you put in here is hidden. So I can use it for things that are in my sewing studio that might be ugly, but that I wanna keep. I got these at the little resale store, and I'm pretty sure these were originally from Home Goods, but I thought, oh, those are cute, and they were like $2. They're cute. I can use them in my house, or we can use this as a prop, or we can use this later to we could put fabric down on it. There's lots of things we could do with it. And who could pass up pumpkins, right? Like my best decorating style is with my fall. And these are some cute little pumpkins, and you notice that I did get 3. They're super cute. So it's like a linen fabric, and you can tell it's just sewn, and then I don't know, it just ravels off. It's so cute. I think my kids will actually really like it. And then I got this bowl because, you know, all the little wooden beads are so popular right now. So I got some of the small ones. I haven't seen small ones where I live yet, actually. And I have a lot of large ones. And the funny thing is, when Kevin sees these, he always says, what are those? I'm like, we've already discussed what it is. Be quiet. And since I love to decorate fall so much, this is gonna be awesome. And if you look at it with this pillow, it actually looks pretty good. And I probably should have bought a 2nd one to go on the other side, or a 3rd one to keep here at work, because it's got a lot of cute details. So if you look at this little, it's got like a little bow. I mean, it's really cute. It's got a lot of detail to it. And then the very last thing I got, I know Kevin is going to absolutely love. So this right here is all wood, and I got this, I think, at Archibald's, which is like a restaurant that has like decorations in it, but it stands up on its own. I always love something that doesn't need an easel, and you can just stand it up, or you could hang it. So this is gonna go great for my decorating at home, and we could also maybe take some photos with it with quilts and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. Just remember, when you're shopping, just get the things you like and look for a great deal. A lot of these things that I bought, they are super inexpensive, and you can always go to a thrift store to find things that people are repurposing. Thanks for watching, and I would love for you to subscribe to this video, and I would also love for you to comment and tell me, do you like videos like this? Because if you do, I can do more. So see you next time.